IDLC stands for Integrated Defense Leadership Course, and IDLC is being generated and created to backfill where security forces squadrons are lacking in training. Over the last 12 days, we've gone over lead tactical squad movements, so moving as an actual squad to break down security forces. We've also covered close quarter battle as well as integrated defense. These are items that we just cannot cover over a drill weekend. So being a cadre member, just watching these young airmen come in on dot zero and not knowing what they've walked into.
Looking back over the last 12 days and looking at what the entire course will feel like and run like once we're done, some of the takeaways we've gotten is one, that there's more challenges at the unit level than I think a lot of people respect or understand, especially for security forces. There's a need for our career field. By AFI, we're supposed to train 218 hours annually on core skill set. There's not enough hours in the reserve days to accomplish that. With that, there's also not the proper resources, locations, subject matter experts, just the playgrounds that we need. So bringing it here, what we've seen is that the units really don't have the ability to meet the requirement. So this training at a venue like this really becomes crucial to maintaining that actual warfighter readiness skill set the security forces needs. We've also seen that a lot of the students are they're disconnected from what their mission really is, especially the junior troops. We've got some airmen here, this is their first TDY. And in their minds, security forces sit in towers and check ID cards. They don't understand the ground combat application that is often required of our skill set and our career field.
This experience has been very beneficial to me. As a new airman and coming in, reserves, we don't really do a lot of hands-on as of right now, which is okay, but sometimes you want to know exactly what your job is, and this type of program did that for me. I've gained a lot of knowledge from a lot of brilliant instructors out here. I just want to take that knowledge and take it back home and teach a lot of my fellow airmen the same information I got here. It's been really great learning certain things here.
We need smoke! 25 minutes in front of us! Break out!